Hello guys, so today we are going to discuss how to download and operate this file for the first time. So hope you have downloaded this file. So you'll get the file, and the second one is the manual. So there are two versions we are using. The first one is the community version, which are being used for the educational purposes, and the second one which I personally use. So the process is same for unblocking on operating the file, and you need to understand, due to some security reasons, the macros are not enabled by default, so we need to do it manually. So once you downloaded the file, and one more thing you need to remember that this is the only process which you need to do at the time of download and not again. So first, you see the file here. We need to right click on it, then press the properties, and you'll see the unblock button, then press the apply and OK button. Then the file will be opened like this, and there are no pop-up for or security warning. So let's start the process. First, on every morning you need to press the fetch button to fetch the most updated data from the backend, and once it is done, the process is same. You need to press on the true ranker button, and then you can start running the operations as required. And from here you can change the mode to Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, whatever you want, and press the scan button. And by default, if you want to go to the volatile stock function, you'll click this preset button, and by default this will be set to all stock, and the scan will be start from there. So thank you guys. So this is the process. Please subscribe the channel and download this file. Thank you.